Listen up, you lot. Today, we're tackling a problem every household faces: leftover spaghetti. Don't you dare even think about throwing it out. We're about to transform those sad noodles into 7 stunning dishes that would make your granny proud. If you're ready to turn your leftovers into culinary masterpieces, smash that like button and subscribe for more game-changing recipes. Now let's get this cooking show on the road. First up, we're taking those sad leftover spaghetti strands and turning them into a breakfast, or brunch, or lunch, or dinner. Champion the frittata. Grab 2 large eggs per serving and whisk them like you mean it. Season with salt and pepper. Generously, yeah? We're not messing about here. Now heat a drizzle of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Add your desired amount of leftover spaghetti to the pan, spreading it out evenly. Pour the whisked eggs over the spaghetti, making sure all those lovely noodles are coated. Let it cook undisturbed for about 5 minutes or until the bottom is golden brown and crispy. Slide that beautiful frittata onto a plate and admire your work. A squeeze of lemon, a sprinkle of fresh herbs, you do you. Carbonara is a classic, and guess what? It's about to become your new best friend for using up leftover spaghetti. Start by dicing up some pancetta. About 4 ounces will do the trick. Fry that in a pan with a little olive oil until it's crispy and golden, like you're aiming for a suntan on that pancetta. While that's happening, beat together 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks with a generous grating of Parmesan cheese, about half a cup. Season it well with salt and pepper. Now here's the important bit. Take the pancetta off the heat, leaving that lovely rendered fat behind. Add the spaghetti to the pan and toss to coat. Pour in the egg mixture and stir continuously until the sauce is thick and creamy. It should only take a minute or two. You don't want scrambled eggs, do you? Serve it up immediately with an extra sprinkle of Parmesan and a crack of black pepper. Boom. Spaghetti pie is the ultimate comfort food, and it's a brilliant way to use up leftover spaghetti. Trust me, this recipe is so good, you'll be making extra spaghetti just to have leftovers. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, mix your leftover spaghetti with about a cup of your favorite marinara sauce. Pour the spaghetti mixture into a greased pie dish. Top it with a generous layer of shredded mozzarella cheese. About 2 cups should do it. Now we bake. Pop that pie in the oven for about 20 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. You can even give it a quick blast under the broiler for a bit of extra color if you fancy. Let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. A simple side salad, and you've got yourself a feast. Alright, enough with the heavy stuff. Let's lighten things up with a refreshing spaghetti salad. It's perfect for a light lunch or a side dish. Grab your leftover spaghetti and toss it with some chopped fresh vegetables. Think cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, whatever you've got in the fridge. Now for the dressing. Whisk together olive oil, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar. You can adjust the amounts to your liking. Pour the dressing over the spaghetti salad and toss to combine. For an extra flavor boost, add some chopped fresh herbs like basil or parsley. Cover the salad and let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes so the flavors can really meld together. Chapter 5. Spaghetti Tacos. A family favorite, reinvented. Tacos are always a good idea, and spaghetti tacos are on another level. This is a fun, family-friendly way to use up those leftover noodles. Heat up your leftover spaghetti in a pan with a little bit of olive oil. You want it nice and warmed through. While that's heating, warm your taco shells according to the package directions. Now let's build those tacos. Fill each shell with a generous helping of spaghetti. Top with your favorite taco toppings: shredded cheese, salsa, guacamole, sour cream. The possibilities are endless. Serve these bad boys up with some rice and beans on the side, and you've got yourself a fiesta in your mouth. Chapter 6. Spaghetti Stir Fry. Fast, fresh, and flavorful. Stir fries are a great way to use up whatever you've got in the fridge, and leftover spaghetti is no exception. This recipe is quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a wok or large skillet over high heat. Add your favorite stir-fry vegetables. I like to use onions, peppers, broccoli, and carrots. Stir fry for about 5 minutes or until the vegetables are tender crisp. Push the vegetables to the side of the wok and add your leftover spaghetti. Pour in your favorite stir-fry sauce. You can use store-bought or make your own. Stir fry everything together for another minute or two until the spaghetti is heated through and the sauce is bubbly. Serve it up hot with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and a wedge of lime. Chapter 7, Spaghetti Muffins, the perfect bite-sized snack. Last but not least, we're going to transform those leftover spaghetti strands into adorable, poppable muffins. These are perfect for a snack or a light lunch. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a muffin tin. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, and a quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Season with salt and pepper. Add your leftover spaghetti to the egg mixture and stir to coat. Divide the mixture evenly among the muffin cups. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the muffins are golden brown and set. Let them cool in the tin for a few minutes before serving. Leftovers? Not anymore. There you have it, you lot. 7 brilliant ways to transform those leftover spaghetti noodles from drab to fab. No more excuses for wasting food in this kitchen. If you enjoyed these recipes, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious inspiration. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Now go forth and conquer those leftovers.